Welcome to Preparing to Install CLIs. After watching this video, you will be able to discuss the develop and deploy options on IBM Cloud, define IBM Cloud CLI and CF-CLI, and review documentation for CLIs. The following options are available to develop and deploy your IBM Cloud application: Eclipse and other IDEs, Command Line Interface or CLI. IBM Cloud CLI provides the CLI to manage applications, containers, infrastructure, services, and other resources on IBM Cloud. It also bundles CF-CLI in its installation to manage Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud. The Cloud Foundry Command Line Interface, CF-CLI, is a client tool from the Cloud Foundry community. You can use this tool to manage Cloud Foundry applications and services on IBM Cloud. Continuous delivery using DevOps practices. Cloud Foundry is an open source platform as a service, or PaaS. It provides an open source CLI that is available for multiple platforms. The IBM Cloud Command Line Interface, or IBM Cloud CLI, provides an easy way to manage all your resources on IBM Cloud from a workstation. Use the IBM Cloud CLI to log in. The Cloud Foundry Command Line Interface, or CF-CLI, is used to manage Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud. You can use the IBM Cloud CLI commands to log in to IBM Cloud and deploy an application to IBM Cloud, as well as to manage resources. Alternatively, you can use CF-CLI to deploy Cloud Foundry applications and manage Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud integrates into the Eclipse IDE. However, you might still want to use command line tools in the following scenarios. You need a tool that is quick to install and has a minimal footprint on your development workstation. You want to automate the management and deployment process with shell scripts. Or you want to use different tools for different projects to provide some project-level separation. You will have a chance in the labs to practice using CLIs in depth. You can review the documentation for the command line tool from Getting Started in Application Details. To work with IBM Cloud by using the CLI, you can use IBM Cloud CLI or CF-CLI. Note that the IBM Cloud CLI enables you to manage applications, containers, infrastructures, services, and other resources in IBM Cloud. It also bundles CF-CLI to manage Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud. CF-CLI allows you to manage only Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud. The next slides show how to download and use the command line interface to manage IBM Cloud applications. In this video, you learned that IBM Cloud CLI allows you to manage applications, containers, infrastructures, services, and other resources in IBM Cloud. CLI allows you to automate the management and deployment process with shell scripts. And CF-CLI enables you to manage Cloud Foundry resources on IBM Cloud.